Hey guys, I'm ADR and I've been trading futures, prop firms for the past 2 years. I trade them live here on YouTube every morning from Monday to Thursday. And I've been asked a lot about why, if I'm profitable trading futures with prop firms, why I'm not trading with my own money, why I do not fund my own account. And so I decided to make this little presentation so I can explain you guys why I decided to trade futures using prop firms. Let's start with um, a little disclosure. So this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Trading involves risk and you can lose your money. Always do your own research before making any trading decisions. I'm here sharing my own personal opinion and experiences, nothing more. Let's start with what it's been happening the past few months on the prop trading industry. We had two guys breaking records on the biggest payout from a firm. We have Trader Kane that made $1.8 million. We have then Kyle that made over $2.5 million, both trading with Apex. And then we had Lanto making $1.4 million in 3 trading days with TPT. So I just wanted to show you guys that making money with prop firm is real. This is not a scam, and people are making crazy amount of money taking advantage of this huge opportunity that is trading with prop firms, right? So let's start with the basics. What are prop firms? So a futures prop firm is in a few words is a company that lets you trade with sim accounts instead of your own. You buy an evaluation account, you pass that evaluation account, and then you get funded. Pretty simple, right? What are the rules? Each prop have their own rules, pros and cons, but they all basically work like this. Typically, you keep 90% of the profits. The firm take the loss, not you. You're gonna see that later in the video. And I believe it's an amazing opportunity if you know how to use them the right way. Prop firms versus personal accounts. With prop firms, you use the prop firm's money. With personal account, you use your own money. You need to fund your own account. The risk with prop firms is limited because you only lose how much you pay for a evaluation account, right? Or a funded account. With personal accounts, every single trade that you take that is red, you're gonna be losing money. Profit split. With prop firms, you keep a portion, like 80-90%. It depends of the prop firm that you're using, and the firm keeps the rest. With personal account, you keep 100% of the profits. Rules with prop firms, they have rules like max loss, daily drawdown, consistency. Some prop firms are gonna tell you to not trade during news or data. With personal accounts, you make your own rules, total freedom. Funding size, it depends on what account size you're buying. With a prop firm, it can be between 50K and 300K. And with a personal account, depends on your savings or deposits. The cost, with prop firm, monthly challenge fees, or if you lose the account, you blow up the account, you gotta buy it again, you pretty much reset it. With personal accounts, you're gonna have brokerage fees, margin requirements, but no recurring challenges. Payouts with prop firm, withdrawals often on a schedule, can be every 5 days, bi-weekly, depends on the prop you're using. With a personal account, you can withdraw whenever you want, it's your money. The top props in the industry right now are Apex, TPT, Tradeify, MyFunded Futures, and Top Step. I personally use the top three. If I'm gonna make more videos about each one of these props and why I use them, but if you want to do your own little research, you have the link down below. Also, you have my discount code. For Apex, it can be up to 90% off. With TPT, 40% off. And with Tradeify, it can be up to 40% off. So how it works. You don't need a large capital to make a full-time income with PropFirm. And this is an example of a 50K account, which are the ones that I use the most. First, you buy an eval. It's gonna be between 35-90% to get an evaluation account. Then you need to pass that evaluation account. Most of the time for the 50K accounts, you're gonna have a $3,000 profit target to pass the eval, and if you pass it, you qualify for a funded account. For the funded accounts, congrats, you passed the eval, you know how to trade. The firm give you a funded account, you trade just like you did on the eval account. Just after building a profit buffer, you can start applying for payment. But if you hit the loss limit, you may lose the account, and then you need to start all over again and buying an eval. Some prop firms allow you to reset your funded account also, so you don't waste time with an eval again. And payouts, you follow the rules, you get paid fast. The profit splits, it's between 80-20 or 90-10. It depends on the prop. So basically, you buy an eval, you pass that eval, and then you get a funded account, you follow the rules, and then you apply for payments. Here, I'm gonna start showing you how I use PropFirm, how I take advantage of PropFirms. This is a month of trading simple base hits type of trade, and I take a piece of the move. I don't need to take a huge size on my trades because I'm not looking for home runs. I'm only looking for small parts of the move, and I'm done with my day, right? So in this month, I made almost $70,000 copy trading with 20 accounts from Apex. I spent around $1,500, and I got a 4,600 return of my investment. I'm gonna show you guys how. So I leverage prop firms by copy trading multiple accounts, allowing me to spread out my risk and lower the exposure per account per trades. I just want to take a little piece of the pie and then be done with my day. So how I do this is I copy trade with 20 Apex accounts. If you guys see here, you can see that I made a little bit over $300 per trade. So because I'm copy trading with 20 accounts, I was able to make a little bit over $6,000, right? So what is copy trading? Copy trading here means you trade or one account trades and replicates those trades into another account or multiple accounts. So for prop firms, it means I'm trading in groups. What it means is whenever I click buy or sell, I'm copy trading those buy clicks or sell clicks with 20 accounts. Therefore, whatever I made or lose with that trade, it's gonna multiply by 20. Right? So here I made a little bit over $300. It was 6.2K. Here I was copy trading also with 20 accounts. I made a little bit over $600 per account. So why trading in groups with 20 Apex accounts and not just do that trade with just one account, right? So why, instead of having 20 accounts and copy trading with 20 accounts, why not just buying 20 contracts in one account, right? The way that this works is like you are spreading your risk across multiple accounts. One trade is mirrored on all of them. So the key is that you only risked 200 overall, since each account uses just a small percentage of its balance. So to make that same $4,000 on a single account, you have to risk a much larger position of your capital. And that could easily end up costing you the account if that trade goes against you. Here it's another example of me copy trading with 20 accounts, only making a little bit over $200. That's over $4,000 with one small trade, making just a base hits type of trade, quick scalp. I'm in and out, and I'm done with my trading, done with my day. I'm not here sitting all day watching charts, right? So what happened if I'm red in the day? What happened if I take a trade and it goes south? So this day I lost $7.55 per account. I was copy trading with 20 accounts also. That means I lost over 15K. But the good thing, because I'm trading with a prop firm, I did not lose $1. No, $1, because I did not blow off my account. With a personal account, that would be something completely different, because I'll be losing 15K, right? So looking at this month, you guys can see that I had 2 red days. Those red days were bigger than I wanted to, but the good thing is, like, I did not lose any money because I did not lost the account. It was only a red day that, yes, is a step back on building the buffer on my account, but I did not lose $28,000. I did not lose 15K, which it would have been a very significant amount of money if I was trading and losing over $28,000 with my own account. In this example, I did not lose any of my account, and I did not lose any of my own money. It was just a step back on building the buffer that I need on these accounts to be able to apply for payment. So copy trading with 20 accounts, I paid $35 per account, per eval account, and I pay $40 per funded account. If you multiply $75 per account, that means I only put $1,500 for 20 accounts and made 4,600% return into my investment, because I made almost $70,000 just copy trading with 20 accounts, taking a small base hits type of trade, and be done with my day. So most of the times you guys see me trading in the morning here on YouTube, because I trade live from Monday till Thursday at 9:30 Eastern time, and I'm just taking small scalps here and there, copy trading with 20 accounts, and I'm done. I trade for like 1 hour and a half, 2 hours in the morning, and then I'm just done with my days. So now, I'm not saying if you start using prop firms, you're gonna make $1 million, $2 million the next day, but I do think it's an amazing opportunity, and I think it's worth just try it out, right? Thank you guys. If you like more videos like this, just make sure to like the video. If you have any questions or you want me to make more videos like this, make sure to comment down below. See you on the streams. Bye.